Welcome to Kala Mitra, the revolutionary chatbot based ticketing system for Indian museums. Picture this: you're planning a museum trip, but the thought of navigating endless phone menus or waiting in long queues makes you want to hide in a sarcophagus. Fear not, culture enthusiasts. Kala Mitra is here to save the day and your sanity. Our Android app uses a BERT based chatbot so smart, it could probably curate its own exhibit. With 95 to 98% accuracy in intent classification, it's like having a tiny museum expert in your pocket. Just don't try to feed it or take it home with you. We've integrated payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe because nothing says cultural experience like seamless financial transactions. And for our linguistically gifted friends, we've got multilingual support with voice based prompting. Now you can say, I want to see old stuff in 100 different languages. For all you tech savvy museum directors out there, we've got an API that connects to your existing software faster than you can say prehistoric artifact. Our technology stack includes Python, Flask, Dialogflow, and more. With our Nginx load balancer and cloud hosting, you'll have smoother service than a freshly polished marble statue. And don't worry about version control, we are using Git, because even our code deserves its own historical record. Kala Mitra isn't just technically feasible, it's a game changer. Sure, there might be some initial hiccups like staff mistaking the chatbot for a new interactive exhibit, but with proper training, we'll have everyone on board faster than you can say Mona Lisa's smile. Economically, it's a no-brainer. We are talking long-term benefits that'll make your accountant do a happy dance in the medieval armor section. Let's talk impact. For visitors, we are improving accessibility, enhancing user experience, and increasing reliability. No more getting lost in the Egyptian wing or mistaking the exit for a time portal. For museum workers, we are reducing workload and enabling data-driven decision-making. Maybe we'll finally solve the mystery of why the gift shop is always busier than the actual exhibits. But wait, there's more. We are boosting tourism, increasing revenue, and promoting sustainability. With digital bookings, we are saving trees faster than you can say deforestation. It's like Captain Planet, but for museums. Our team of 6 brilliant minds has been burning the midnight oil, not museum artifacts, we promise to bring you Kala Mitra. We've done our homework, folks. From studying IRCTC's Ask Disha to diving deep into government AI initiatives, we've left no stone tablet unturned. In conclusion, Kala Mitra is not just a ticketing system, it's a portal to the past with the technology of the future. So hop on board the culture train and let's make history by exploring history. Thank you, and remember, with Kala Mitra, every day is a walk through time, just don't forget to charge your phone.